Hello, introduce, my name is Fitria Ilwa Minabari. Student ID number 20,101,106,007. Information System Study Program. What is quantum computer? Quantum computer is a tool for processing information with the principles of quantum mechanics. These computations have different properties from classical computations. Then, quantum computers have different processors from classical computers. Classic computer processors used silicon-based chips. As for quantum computers, they use quantum systems such as atoms, ions, photons, or electrons. The quantum computer material behaves according to the laws of quantum mechanics, namely using the concepts of superposition, probabilistic measurements, and quantum linkages. These concepts provide the basis for quantum algorithms to process complex information. Quantum computer superposition. Quantum computer superposition. Quantum computer computing uses quantum properties that can be prepared in superposition states. A state of superposition is a state of bits, the basic unit of computing, that can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. For example, imagine that you are exercising on your front porch. Then, while exercising, you will jump to the right and left alternately. You won't be able to jump left and right at the same time. If you are a quantum computer, you can move left and right at the same time. This phenomenon is called superposition. In the use of quantum computers, the left and right directions are computer bits that have a value of 0 or 1. Quantum measurement. Now, let's say your friend comes over and wants to take a picture of you exercising. Most likely, they will get a blurry image when you jump left and right. It's different if you are a quantum particle. Because, there are interesting things that will happen. So, wherever you are when your friend takes a picture, the result will always show either left or right. This is because the act of observing or measuring quantum particles breaks down the superposition state. This state can be called decoherence, which takes the classical binary state, namely 1 or 0. Even though it has been broken down, in quantum computing there is a process that can rearrange the particles back into a superposition state. Thus, it can be used for quantum measurements again. What is quantum computing and how does it work? It refers to computation that uses the principles of quantum physics. Quantum physics deals with the smallest physical units that exist within the human realm. The common principles applied in the computing system are the superposition, entanglement, and quantum interference. The computing system is done by quantum computer. A conventional computer works with bits which can be 0 or 1, a definite number. However, this computing method works with bits instead. Instead of dealing with one definite problem at a time, it computes numerous probabilities at once. What would a quantum computer do? A quantum computer is expected to be able to deal with more problems. Instead of counting the definite problem, it calculates the possible solution for that problem, regardless of the type. That possibility has a certain amplitude for it to be the right solution. For this to work, the computing system should be in the superposition state. Types of quantum computing. There are some types of quantum-based computing system that have been developed in the recent years, such as analog quantum. Analog quantum is the medium-tier computing system that applies quantum principles. It can work on several sets of problems at once. The processing time is slightly quicker than conventional computers. It works with 50 to 100 qubits, which means that it is physically doable to build. Universal quantum. Out of the three quantum computers, universal might be the most powerful and versatile. It speeds up the data computing process. However, it takes a lot of resources to build this computer, as it is expected to host around 100,000 qubits. That will make the computer unworkable in conventional settings. What are the advantages of quantum computing? Computing system benefit mankind. Here are some of the advantages of using the system. It can crunch a large amount of data. It speeds up data processing time. It is more money efficient in the long run. quantum annealer. This computing system is the most restrictive and works comparably to conventional computing machines. Although it uses quantum principles in its application, it can only work on one task at a time. It is an easy build, but the advantages over conventional computers are unknown. That's all my discussion about quantum computers. Thank you for your attention.